Hi, thank you for watching this video about the 2008 Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle 105th Anniversary Dyna. You can see it has absolutely gorgeous paint, root beer with a copper flop and pearl black with a black metallic in it. You can also see there's the VIN number. It's a 110-inch Screaming Eagle, indicated also on the air cleaner. Nice fork lock, beautiful mag wheels, chin spoiler and chrome voltage regulator. You can see it is in flawless condition, has brand new bags and a brand new package rack. The package rack and the bags have never been used. You can check out the bags on the other side. The bike actually looks better without the bags, but I wanted to display it in this video with the bags on. Vance and Hines exhaust system. You can see the Vance and Hines logo. There's the 105th anniversary logo. Speedo shows the mileage, 94.57. While we're at it, let's do a cold start. Here's your digital oil temperature location. You can see it shows the motor at cold right now. We're going to go up. We're going to turn it on. Going to check to see that it's in neutral. We're going to hit the start button. First, we're going to turn it to run. Then we're going to hit the start button. It fires right up. Real nice exhaust note. There you can see the Speedo and the tack. Harley Davidson mirrors. Braided cables. Wind vest. LED headlights. In fact, we can turn on the LED headlights and give you a gauge on. There's what the LED turn signals look like. There's the LED headlight. Can see the LED tail light as well. Basically, it's just an absolute flawless example of probably the most beautiful motorcycle that Harley Davidson ever made. Somebody's going to get a fantastic motorcycle with very low mileage that's been extremely well maintained. Thanks for watching the video. There's your last shot at the display.